Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about the Tinder headquarters center. The Tinder company is an American social networking and online dating application that allow to user to anonymously swipe to like and the dislike other profile based on their photos, a small bio and the common interest. Once two users have matched, they can exchange messages. The Tinder launched in 2012 with a startup Incredible Hash Labs as a joint venture between the IAC and the mobile app development, the firm Extreme Labs. By the 2014, the Tinder was registered about 1 billion swipes per day. The Tinder originally required access to a Facebook account to use the app, but it began allowing users to register with just a telephone number. In 2019, it is accessible through a mobile app or a web browser for the computers. Sign up for the required mobile devices, and Tinder, who just operates on a freemium businesses models. And this company, it is launched in 2012 and starts who was hired by the startup incubator HashLab CEO of your Dinesh Missouri. In that the company who just established in the 2012 the Matchbox renamed to the Tinder to match the already designed the logo and the soft launch in the app stores and read as that the CEO brought the Justin Martin on the Tinder as a TAMP coordinator to lead launching marketing for 2 months, and given this his profitable businesses experience promoting on colleges your campuses. And now in 2016 the Tinder invested in Vina, a social network for the women to meet and nurture new friendships. Tinder began the testing it boosts your functionality in September 2016 in Australia. The feature went live for all the users worldwide in October 2016. Boost allowed to user to make their profile the most visible profile in their area for the your 30 minutes, showing such of the profile first to other of the nearby the user. The Tinder, who just claim its user can receive up to 10 times as many of the profile users as usual, and while Boost is active. The Tinder Plus users can use one of your free boost a month, non-subscriber, and the Tinder Plus of the subscriber who wants the more boost can purchase additional of the boost actions. Now in 2020, the Tinder administration enable a panic button and the anti your catfishing tag to improve the safety of the US users. In the future, these features should become globally and available. If something that goes wrong on a date, a user can hit a panic button and the transmit accurate location data and call off your emergency services. Also, before going to be a meeting, the user can require to take a selfies to prove their photos in your Tinder profile match their real identities. In response to the global COVID 19 the pandemic in 2020, the Tinder temporarily made its passport feature available for free to all of its users the worldwide. Previously, this feature had been only there the accessible to users who had purchased a subscription. And Tinder, who just relaunched the Swipe Night, an interactive series where users make the decision following a storyline. Swipe Night had previously been to launch in October 2019, and it was started to be a relaunch internationally in 2020. But due to the COVID-19 pandemic time, it was postponed until that the September. Swipe Night that the internationals launch including the multiple countries and languages. The three major decisions made it in each of the episodes for the interactive series display on that the user's profile can be used for the matches potential. So hope you guys like this video. Then please like and share and keep supporting to our channel. Thank you for watching guys.